Oracle Taleo Onboarding, working with images. In this video, you will learn how to work with images, how to add an image to the library, and deleting an image from the image library. So to access images within onboarding, you will select onboarding and then go into onboarding administration. Under content pages is where you will find the images section. Under the images section, you will be able to view any and all images that have been loaded to be utilized within onboarding. Images can be utilized in content pieces, that is on user-defined forms, in emails, on content pages. Images such as company logos, for example, on a user-defined form, maybe you want to show your new hires a copy of a voided check to give them instructions or reference on how to fill out a direct deposit form. Maybe on your content page, you want to include some engaging images to support the subject matter of that content page. There is a setting to control the size of the image that can be loaded. This setting can be adjusted by logging a service request with Oracle support, depending on the size of the image that you need to load. Once you have your image, to load or create a new image, you will select your Create button in the Images area. This will open up the image upload page. From here, you're going to give your image a code. You will give a description, so this will be information about that image so that anyone coming behind you might have a better understanding of how that image can be used or what that image is. Once you have your image description, then you can locate the image, store it on your machine, and add that image to the system. Alrighty. So what we're going to do is we're going to browse, and I'm going to locate my image. So if I go into my directory, go to where I have my image, then here is my check image, and I'm going to select Save. Once I have selected Save, the system will add the logo in. It will also create a URL for that image. If I do a preview, I can see how that image will display. Now, to use this image, you're going to want to copy the image URL to be then used in your content pieces. So what I would do is I'm going to go back to administration. Under user-defined forms, I'm going to now use this image in a content item. So I'm just going to create a new item and show you how you would add in that image. So in order to add in an image that has been uploaded into the images area, you would then add a text box using your toolbox. Use your window pane to enlarge the view. We're going to use our picture icon to load this image. I'm going to then paste the URL, select Preview, select OK. The system will then bring that image into my content item. Now, if this image needs to be adjusted from a sizing perspective, you can update those properties. So here on Image Properties, you can adjust the width, the height space, the border, those items. You can change your alignment for the image. Any of those items can be adjusted using the properties for the image. Once you have your image loaded, it will appear in your content item and will be visible to your users. Now, if there is an image that you no longer need and would like to delete, you can do so by selecting the Delete button next to the action. It's going to give you a confirmation about deleting an image. And once you say yes on that confirmation, the image is now deleted. Now, images are one of the few areas that you are able to delete once they've been activated. Again, if you need to delete an image, you locate that image, and to the right under Actions, you select that delete option. You will get a confirmation screen. And from there, you can confirm the deletion of that image, and that image will no longer be available. Anywhere that that image is being utilized, so if that image is being utilized in any of your content pieces, the box with the X will display since the reference URL for that image is no longer available. Thank you.